Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm currently in Greece on the island of Crete for a family wedding. But regardless, even though I'm going to spend a lot of time relaxing, may not be posting as frequently, I want to deliver at least this video for all of you because I'm about to go on a hike on some trail I've never been. So with that said, let's go ahead, check out the gear that I brought with me on this trip. Let's go. All right, everyone, so I have my Peak Design Lumix bag right here. Of course, well, this is my DJI lav mic case. Got to bring that for the good audio. Of course, being that I'm going to be on a trail, got to get your solar power pack right there. I have a little tripod for my phone. Got to have that so I can get some good selfies, etc., etc. That quick social media posting. Photos and video, gotta have a tripod for it. Then I have my DJI Osmo 3, I believe this one is. But either way, I got that because this thing is awesome gimbal. I love it. For only like right over $100, it is well worth it to get one of these to create content with. Of course, my cables. What else do I have in this front portion of it? I also have more SD cards, my little Pocket Rocket Think Tank SD card holder. I have my GoPro batteries. And yes, that means I actually have my GoPro right here. This is going to be something I'm going to use a lot just so that I don't drain the hell out of my cell phone battery. But I get some cool content, some time lapse, etc. This is great. And these things are built like a tank. So taking this on a trail, it only makes sense. So that's what I have so far right there on the upper portion. Let me see if I got nothing there. Then, see, my objective for this trip to Greece was not to weigh myself down because I have a wedding and family to enjoy. So I'm not trying to be full-blown photographer. I just want something light. So I was going for lightweight, minimalistic kit. I have my ND filter right here. There's a variable ND, got it right there. So when I shoot some video with my camera, I'm good to go. Because the weather here has been fantastic, and that means it is bright out. So with all that said, I have that. I brought with me 3 batteries. So I have 2 right here, 2 right there, and then I have one inside my camera, which is the Lumix S5 Mark II right here. And I have it fitted with the lens that I just recently did an unboxing of, which is the 50mm f1.4 DGDN lens. That's right, it's a Sigma art lens. So I'm really excited to see what I take with this. I'm going to do some landscape when we're walking around the streets of they call it Old City, Old Town. Well, either way, it's like a downtown over in Hania, which is a city in Crete. So I'll take this with me. I'm going to shoot. You'll see the final results of these photos as soon as I touch ground back home. So S5 Mark II, give me 24 megapixel images and then video up to 5.9K. So this is a great minimalistic body and kit. And then I decided to bring 2 other lenses. Okay. 35, the Sigma 35 f1.4 DGDN lens for some more street photography stuff. I like that in case I want a little bit wider. And it's 1.4, so it's going to be great for low light as well. And then I decided in case I wanted some ultra wide stuff, or I don't know about ultra wide, but definitely wider, is the Lumix 20 to 60mm lens. This lens here, let's just make sure we understand the aperture on this bad boy. So 3.5 to 5.6. So it's the kit lens that comes with the S5 Mark II, but I love this lens. I brought it with me to Barcelona with the S5, and I use this lens the most by far. And I brought like 4 or 5 lenses that time. So this lens is really, really awesome. And it goes up to, it goes as wide as 20mm. So man, you're going to be able to do some beautiful landscape with this. And you don't need it to be super fast to get great landscape because you're going to shoot at f6, 6.3, 8, or even f11. So this lens is more than enough. It's super lightweight and it has great autofocus when you pair it up with the S5 Mark II. So this is a great one. Okay, so those are the 3 lenses I have. 1, 2, and 3. These 2 right here fit in the bottom compartment. Then I keep my S5, camera right here, right in the middle section, and on the top section is where I keep all the accessories and all these little doodads and whatnot. So it's a very, very compact, lightweight system is what I brought with me here in Crete. All right, everyone, that is just a quick little peek into the gear that I brought with me here to Greece. It's just a small little video. I realize that I'm gonna be bringing you a couple of tutorials coming up soon, and also my full review of that Sigma 50mm f1.4 DGDN art lens. That's right, I'm gonna be bringing that to you very, very soon. But right now, I'm actually gonna do this one thing called relax. So I'm gonna get to my hike. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you post them down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, share, subscribe, and yes, smash that bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. Until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.